Welcome to Touring Tutorials, a series where we aim to help keep your rig in the best shape possible.
Here at Touring, we're known for putting thought and quality into our products and features in our builds.
We want to equip all of our customers with the best tools possible for their adventures on the road.
So with that, let's jump into this episode featuring pointers on how to operate your AquaHot. The AquaHot 125D that Touring installs in its camper vans is going to be your heater for both your water and for the air inside of your van. It operates much like your furnace at your house in that you kind of set it and forget it. You'll turn it off when you're done with it for the day. First, we're going to find the temperature and click on that area. Then we're going to turn the system on from this screen. Then we'll click Set. Next, we have to choose how we're going to power the AquaHot because there are two different options. If you're in a remote situation, you are most likely going to be powering this from the burner option. This is going to pull diesel from your fuel tank. In that scenario, we're going to find the symbol with the fire and labeled burner, and we're going to click On. From there, you will start hearing the AquaHot power up, and you may even see some exhaust from the exhaust pipe on the outside of the van. The other option to power the AquaHot would be through the electric option. This option is best used when you are plugged into shore power because it is going to be consuming a bit more power than you would want to do in a remote situation. If we want to use that option, we're going to go through the first step. After finding the interior temperature, click that, turn it on, set the temperature that you want the interior of the van to be, click Set, and then we're going to find the icon with a lightning bolt labeled electric, and we will click On. After we've done that, your system status will change. It will either say hot water or interior heat. If it is in the interior heat mode, you are getting hot water and interior heat at the same time. If it is a summer day and you just want hot water, you'll go down to the bottom right of the screen, find the three stripes, which will bring you into the menu, and you will find the button that says Interior Heating Priority. You will turn that off if you only want hot water inside the van and not interior heat. There are a couple things that we want to remember when we are using our AquaHot. You might just be using the van for a day at the ski hill. If you are in that scenario, you might be coming back to the van, washing off your hands with some hot water, warming up your toes, and you may turn the AquaHot on and off quickly or rapidly. We do not want to do this. We want to avoid this use case scenario. One way that we can do that is when we get to the ski hill, we will turn on the interior heat to a low setting so that it's not getting too hot in here while you're away or consuming too much of your fuel. But we will set it to a low setting and then we'll go out, enjoy the ski hill, and come back. You'll have hot water, you'll have interior heat, and then you'll go back out and enjoy the rest of your day. We want to run this for longer times opposed to turning it on and off when we need it. This is the best maintenance and care for the AquaHot system. Think about it this way. When it's cold out outside at your house, you turn your heat on, you go to work, you come back, and it's nice and warm in your house. We want to treat the AquaHot in the same way. We'll set it at a low temperature, go enjoy our day, and come back to a nice cozy van. One more thing to remember about the AquaHot is that you can have interior heat working while you are driving the vehicle. But the important thing to remember here is when you stop at the gas station and you fill up your diesel tank, we want to turn off the AquaHot before we start refilling our fuel tank. Finally, ensure you have enough fuel to run your AquaHot. When your fuel tank drops to a quarter tank, your AquaHot will automatically shut off to avoid any errors. While the AquaHot is very user-friendly, we are here to help. go ahead and pick up the phone, call our service center, and we would be happy to answer any other questions that we haven't covered in this video.
If you need help with any of these steps, don't hesitate to give our service center a call.
We're here to help you keep your van in great shape and get you back on the trails in no time.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out all of our videos for more great tips from our team.